Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Earle. I am the Veterinary Technology Program Manager at Eastern Florida State College, obviously. And I just want to talk to you a little bit about our program. Veterinary technology is a very high demand field. There are approximately 800 to 1,000 certified veterinary technicians in the state of Florida, and about 3,000 to 4,000 veterinary practices in the state of Florida. So you can see that it's an underserved demographic. And right now, the need for veterinary technicians is very, very high. Certification is not required in the state of Florida, but it is Florida is only one of 13 states in the country that does not require regulation of technicians. All the other states in the country do require regulation, and they're either certified, registered, or licensed in those states. And we're working towards licensure in this state, but we've been in process with that for about 10 years, and we see probably another 5 to 6 before that becomes a fact. Our students are extremely highly trained, and they're extremely highly recruited once they graduate. We have probably 3 to 5 jobs posted for every student that we have in our program, which is very nice. Our graduates have about a 95 to 100% pass rate on the VTNE, which is the National Board Exams, and like I said, they're extremely highly trained and very, very highly skilled. We're in the process of developing a 4-year Bachelor of Science program for the veterinary technicians. We've also been working on several courses in allied health bachelors to integrate for our students who plan on going on for a bachelor's in other fields related to veterinary medicine. Certification from a BAS program would allow our students to use the name veterinary technologist instead of certified veterinary technician, and they can command a higher pay grade at that point, which would be very nice. As far as challenges, the challenges for our program, largest challenge for our students and the program in general is financial. We have mounting costs of equipment. We have to keep up with the equipment that's out in the field right now, and the equipment is getting more and more expensive every year. We also have things like drugs. Drug costs have skyrocketed, including generic costs. If you look at the news nationally, this is pretty much confirmed. So it's put a major budgetary strain on the program. And in addition, technology updates are constant, and it is difficult to keep up with them. Veterinary technicians are responsible for all of the skill sets that a veterinarian is responsible for, except for prognostics, diagnosing, prescribing, and doing surgery. They can assist in all of those things, but they cannot do them themselves. So you can see that their skill set is fairly broad. Another issue that we have is the fight for licensure, as I said before. The program directors in the state have taken a stand to get licensure for veterinary technicians in the state of Florida, and it's been an uphill battle. And so we're still continuing to work on that, and we, like I said, in the next 5 years, we're hoping that that becomes a fact. Okay, we're also gearing up for an accreditation site visit by the AVMA CBTEA, which is our accrediting body. And this is very similar to the SACS accreditation process. We have to go through a lot of hoops, write a self-study report, make sure our financials are in order, make sure our credentialing is in order. They talk to our students, they talk to the administration, they talk to the staff involved with our program. So it is a fairly major involved thing, and that happens in August of 2015. And we've maintained AVMA accreditation since 1988, which is basically pretty close to our inception. So we don't expect there to be any problems, but it is a hurdle that we have to overcome, and we're looking forward to it, actually, because it's always good to have an outside eye on your program and see where you can make improvements and where you're doing well. So we're pretty excited about that possibility. One of the things that we do to engage the students is we kind of think outside the box for some projects. One of the extra credit projects we do right around Halloween is for our clinical pathology class. When we're studying parasites, we have them dress up as their favorite parasite, and they have to run around with a description of their parasite, and anybody who comes up and talks to them about that particular parasite, they have to describe the life cycle and the treatment protocols and how it affects animals and how it affects humans. So that's kind of fun. And then in the sophomore year, they during small animal diseases and pharmacology, they dress as their favorite drug. And so that's pretty exciting too. And they really enjoy that and they get into it. Our students are extremely community oriented. We've got a lot of students participate in service learning with the work experience classes, and they also go out in the community with the Vet Tech Club. And the Vet Tech Club is extremely active on campus. We go to all the campus activities, and they also do things like the 9/11 baskets, where they actually deliver kind of care baskets to all the service animals in the county. They also sponsor an open house every year in October during National Vet Tech Month, and we usually have between 75 and 80 people coming through, and so they do community education, talk about dentistry, talk about weight loss for the pets, which is a major problem right now in the country and in the state of Florida specifically. So they're very active in their communities, and we like to foster that, and they maintain that when they graduate, which is also very nice. So we're pretty proud of our students. They do very well, and we like to keep them around. So they're a lot of fun. So thank you very much.